Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video tutorial, I will tell you if your MacBook, iMac or Mac Mini is Apple ID locked or iCloud locked. Let's get started. So guys, on your device, you need to go to this Apple icon. Click on that and then go to System Settings to check first if your Apple ID is locked to someone else's account. In this scenario, I'm going to show you now. If you tap onto sign in, as you can see, it's asking you to put your credentials. If it was signed in into someone else's account, then it would have their credentials here. And it will show up here too. Right. Next step, I'm going to show you if your device is iCloud locked. So what you need to do is go back here, go to about this Mac, and then go to more information, and then scroll down to System Report. Click on that. Now you need to search for hardware. So obviously it's the first one here. And then if you look down to the very bottom, activation lock status disabled. So you're all good to go. So if it's your first time using this device, your device, this is what you need to look out for to ensure that it's disabled when you put in your details. Or if you're going to buy a MacBook, Mac Mini or iMac, ensure that this activation lock status is disabled and also Apple ID is signed out. So if it says disabled, it means you're all good to go. If it says enabled, then it's locked. Then you need to seek advice from the person you got the device from, and they should tell you what their password is. Right guys, I hope this video tutorial has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.